A consumer advocacy group says statewide schools are dangerously exposing students to lead. Our Steve Pickett live from Dallas ISD's Lakewood Elementary School with the action the group says schools need to take. Steve?
Gilma, this particular report grades the contamination level of lead in schools in 32 states, including Dallas schools, including Lakewood Elementary School is one example. But the debate in this report, what is an acceptable level of lead in the water of schools? Drinking water quality is a parent priority for Dallas mom Quinn Norwood.
Before we send him to his little school, he gets water bottles from home. And that's really and my husband and I, when we take water out for the day, we use the water we filtered at home too.
I'm sure that there are families across the city that are dealing with this without even knowing about it.
This man is Bay Scoggin, and he has a message for Mom Norwood and all North Texas parents.
There is no safe level of exposure to lead for young children in schools.
He's talking about lead levels found in the drinking sources for schools. The Texas Public Interest Research Group gave the grade F for schools and their lead and water levels.
66% of the schools in this Metroplex area are currently above a health-based standard for lead contamination. We can do better than that.
The Dallas School District faced a series of drinking water contamination cases back in 2016. Today, the district issued this statement, saying in part, all schools were tested in 2016 through 2018 for lead contaminants, and all are within the threshold levels established by the EPA. The government threshold for lead is up to 15 parts per billion. TexPurge today said Texas schools should work to eliminate all lead down to 1 part per billion. And in part, that means demanding that schools change filtration systems, new piping in schools throughout school districts to get it to that 1 part per billion level. The reality of all of this, and we talked to this school district and others about it, is they say they are complying with federal standards. In some cases, in particular here in Dallas, that was not the case at some schools. They are in compliance now and say they're going to continue to do exactly what they're doing at this point. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.
Steve, thanks very much.